In today's tutorial, let's talk about prioritizations in TestNG. Okay, so let me open up Eclipse. I already have created. Let me close this. I already have created a sample class here called tutorial 3. Okay, and I have around 4 tests with me: test A, test B, okay, test 1 and test 2. So let me put this question for you all here. What if I run this? Okay, in which order should will it get executed? A, B, 1, 2, or some other way? So let me run this. So what do I get? What I get is numbers were executed first in the ascending order, 1 being executed first and 2. Then your alphabets in again the alphabetical order, A being executed first followed by B. Okay, but what if I want to change this? What if I want A and B to be executed first, then followed by numbers? I can change it. I have to give, okay, value to my TestNG annotation, and that is priority. So PRI control space. What is this? It's priority. It accepts an integer, and the scheduling priority. Lower priorities will be scheduled first. Perfect. So again, so I take this and I give this the lowest one, which is 1. Okay, I will give let me copy this. I'll give this 2. I'll give this priority as 3, and I'll give this as 4. Now let me run this again. So now everything will change. Okay, A is executed first because it has 1, then followed by B, which has 2, and so on and so forth. Okay. Next question, what if I have methods having the same priority? Then what happens? This is the other condition which might happen. So if I run this, okay, A is run first, of course, because it has got the highest one. Then I see all of them have got the same level. So what happens is it goes by your default TestNG approach, which is numbers first, then alphabets. So 1 is executed, then 2, then followed by B. Okay, the very last thing. Okay, what if this is executed last, right? B. What if I do not give priority to a particular test? In this case, what happens? So TestNG follows this approach, is it always executes test without priorities first, followed by tests that have priorities. So test B will be executed first, followed by the rest. So let me run this. So here we go. Test B is executed first, then in the following order of priority, which is A, then 1, then 2. Okay, that's enough for today. If you have any questions regarding prioritizations in TestNG, do comment below. Thank you.